You've been admitted. Now what? Welcome to the University of British Columbia. Your hard work has paid off. Once you accept UBC's offer of admission, your exciting journey will begin. Now it's all about maintaining your grades and getting ready to transition to university life. If you're an international student, you'll need to apply for a study permit. This takes time. Start the process early. If you want to live on campus, you'll need to apply by the housing application deadline. Room assignments are sent out by email between June and August. You'll have 1 week to accept your offer, so keep an eye on your inbox. Begin planning your finances early. Our online cost estimator will give you a sense of how much to budget. UBC provides scholarships, bursaries, and work opportunities every year. Check our website for details. Now comes the fun part, course registration. You'll receive information about your next steps, including how to register for courses. When you're all set, log into your Applicant Service Center account and build your course schedule. Have several options ready in case certain courses are full. 1 or 2 weeks before registration, you'll receive an email with your assigned date and time. Convert it to your local time zone if necessary and set your alarm. You don't want to miss it. It won't be long now before you're exploring your new campus and connecting with classmates at orientation. Now proudly share your accomplishment. We can't wait to see you at UBC. For more information, visit u.ubc.ca.